Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making Google the phone's assistant. This is the only way to run Google Assistant natively on Samsung devices. First, confirm you have the Google app and an up-to-date OS. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Default Apps, tap Assist and Voice Input and choose Google. Once done, enable Voice Match so your voice wakes Assistant. Say the wake phrase a few times when prompted to train the model. This ensures reliable recognition across apps and the lock screen. Next, make sure Google has the permissions it needs. Open the Google App Settings right arrow permissions. Grant microphone, location, and notifications so Assistant can hear, navigate, and present responses. Then enable lock screen access and Bluetooth activation so commands work when the phone is locked or paired. Configure language and voice in Assistant settings and link calendars, smart home, and music accounts. These steps let Assistant execute contextual tasks and control devices seamlessly, so permissions and account links matter. Finally, test Assistant with simple commands. Set a timer, call a contact, or play music. Observe how responses behave, then personalize routines and shortcuts in Assistant settings for repeated tasks. Make sure Assistant is set as the default for physical button presses if your model supports reassignment. If things go wrong, first clear defaults for Assistant apps, update the Google app from Play Store, check microphone permission, and reboot the phone. That single troubleshooting step usually restores functionality quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.